English Norwegian travel phrases, as there.
Finnes det?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll confidently ask for what you need in Norwegian, as there.
Finnes det?
Where is?
Hvor er?
What is?
Hva er?
How much does? Cost.
Hva koster?
I need.
Jeg trenger.
I would like.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
May I?
Kan jeg?
And, can you? Quote.
Kan du?
Quick phrase warm up. Repeat after me, nice and clear. You've got this. Is there?
Finnes det?
Where is?
Hvor er?
What is?
Hva er?
How much does? Cost.
Hva koster?
I need.
Jeg trenger.
I would like.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
May I?
Kan jeg?
Can you?
Kan du?
Mini dialogues. A funny day out. Let's act out a mini day in Norway. You play you, polite, brave, and just a little hungry. At the info desk. You, as there. A bus to the museum today?
Finnes det? En buss til museet i dag?
Clerk.
Ja, den går hvert kvarter.
On the street. You, where is? The station?
Hvor er? Stasjonen?
Local.
Rett frem, så til venstre.
At a cafe. You, I would like a coffee, please.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. En kaffe, takk.
Barista.
Kommer straks.
Curious you. You point at a pastry. What is that?
Hva er det der?
Barista.
En kanelbolle?
You, may I try one?
Kan jeg smake en?
Budget check. You, how much does cost?
Hva koster kanelbollen?
Clerk.
Den koster 30 kroner.
Help moment. Your lid is stuck. You, can you open this?
Kan du åpne denne?
Helpful stranger.
Klart det.
Energy dip. You whisper. I need a break.
Jeg trenger en pause.
Bench. Available. Victory snack secured. Tiny forms, big wins. Level up your control with small tweaks. Alternative to, as there. You can also say.
Er det?
More general. Negatives. Isn't there?
Finnes det ikke?
Can't you? Quote.
Kan du ikke?
Softer polite. Could you? Quote.
Kunne du?
Swap the dots for real life.
Hvor er toalettet? Hva koster billetten? Jeg vil gjerne ha en te.
Speed drill. Fast echo. I say English, you fire back in Norwegian. Is there? Answer.
Finnes det?
Where is? Answer.
Hvor er?
What is? Answer.
Hva er?
How much does cost? Answer.
Hva koster?
I need. Answer.
Jeg trenger.
I would like. Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
May I? Answer.
Kan jeg?
Can you? Answer.
Kan du?
Culture tips. Sound natural, sound nice. Polite directness wins in Norway. Short, clear questions like
Kan jeg?
and
Kan du?
Add kindness sprinkles.
Unnskyld.
Excuse me.
Takk.
Thanks, and sometimes.
Vær så snill.
Please. Do form is normal. Talk like a friendly neighbor, just like we do here. Quick quiz. Say it out loud, then check yourself. Q. How do you say, how much does, cost? A.
Hva koster?
Q. Translate, may I? A.
Kan jeg?
Q. Norwegian for, where is? A.
Hvor er?
Q. Norwegian for, I would like. A.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Q. Norwegian for, is there. A.
Finnes det?
Q. Norwegian for, can you? Question mark quote. A.
Kan du?
Q. Norwegian for, what is? A.
Hva er?
Q. Norwegian for, I need. A.
Jeg trenger.
Your challenge. Role play time. Talk to the air like a legend. You'll sound great. At a ticket counter, is there a train to Oslo tonight? Say.
Finnes det et tog til Oslo I kveld?
Then ask price. How much does cost?
Hva koster billetten?
If hungry, I would like a waffle.
Jeg vil gjerne ha en vaffel.
Curious, what is brunost?
Hva er brunost?
Polite help. Can you show me the platform?
Kan du vise meg perrongen?
Personal need. I need water.
Jeg trenger vann.
Last check. May I sit here?
Kan jeg sitte her?
Bonus location. Where is the toilet?
Hvor er toalettet?
Goodbye and keep going. You crushed it today. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing these lifesavers. Is there? Where is? What is? How much does? Cost? I need. I would like. May I? And, can you? Question mark quote dot. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons, downloads, and playlists. Talk for IDAG.